testing the microphone. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2.
Makes me happy to be in Rivers State. It is not for nothing. Your governor has distinguished himself as the new face of leadership in Nigeria. He has raised the bar of subnational leadership in this country. We are very proud to be associated with him. Some of his templates that have really been implemented, some of them that you can touch them in terms of improving the quality of life of our people. We are copying from him because we don't have to reinvent the wheel. He has done so much. As someone who had worked in an infrastructure ministry like the Ministry of FCT, where I was a minister of FCT, seeing Julius Vega in Port Harcourt, doing bridges and infrastructure, it speaks volumes about this gentleman. I used to call him gentleman, but you have heard him. He is more than gentle. He says the truth and does the right thing. Julius Vega is the harbinger, is the provider of the best quality infrastructure in Nigeria. We cannot even afford them as subnational in some states. But you can see the conceptualization, the way and manner the projects were conceptualized and financed. It makes me very happy because of the delivery. Really, he is conquering our environment. Rivers have come to compete very well with Abuja in terms of bridges. They have overtaken Kano, they have overtaken Lagos. And that speaks a lot. How I wish Rivers will continue to have somebody like Nyesom Wike that will give him continuity, improvement of the quality of life of the people. And of course, making things with dynamism. I congratulate you, and I'm humble and feel honored to commission this Rumukwurushi-Elimgbu bridge, which is the 10th one that you are doing during your second tenure. Again, you can see the fidelity, the sincerity of purpose. I am not in my second term, but I cannot remember any second-term governor doing this kind of infrastructural delivery to his people. He is not here for himself. I'm not praising him. There is nothing he will give me that I don't have. But I really, really envy him for what he is. He is for his people. When some second-term governors are busy trying to prepare to go, this man is even breaking new frontiers, doing new projects, and giving timelines and financing that will be able to be delivered during his tenure. We have only 1 year to election, and I am privileged to be here to commission a new project that speaks volumes. That shows you that he wants to do so much and fulfill his promises. And that will spur me and encourage me to go back to Bauchi and still do more projects, because maybe I will have the benefit of second term, but the term I have, I must use it very well. Rivers is lucky to have you, and to have you who has a vision of bringing good contractors, and of course putting every resources on the line for the people to improve the quality of life of the people. I'm honored on behalf of everybody here to say thank you to you, because I wish you will be given the opportunity to bring this type of vision to the national level, where you will be able to come and contribute your quota. Yes, I have disclosed my intention to run for the presidency, but even while you are running, you know there are people that are better than you. There are people that can do better than you. And there are people that you will do with them, so that at the end of the day, if you are doing it with harmony, you are doing it with synergy, you are doing it with stakeholding in a manner that you will rescue Nigeria from the present situation of maladministration. Mr. Wike, you have always been my friend and my partner, and I have not hidden my love for you. And I always want to encourage you to make sure that you cultivate the required presidential sensibilities and leadership capabilities so that Nigeria will really benefit from what is stored in you and what you can do for Nigeria. We in PDP, we are not quarreling. We are not competing blindfolded or blindly. We are doing it with synergy and mutual respect. Definitely we will come to a situation where we will tell each other, this is what you can do, this is what you can do, and we will be doing it without any selfish interest, and we are going to do it in the interest of the nation.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.